In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a passkey for your Google account. Let's get started. First, launch your Google app. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on the option Manage your Google account. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find different option. Click on the option Security and Sign In. Now scroll down. You're going to find the option of Passkeys and Security Keys. Click on that option. Now you might be prompted to enter your account's password. Type in that and verify yourself and click on Next. Now you will be directed to this page. From here you can easily create passkey. All you have to do is click on the option Create a Passkey. Google will ask you to verify your identity again, either using Face ID, fingerprint or screen lock depending on your device. If you want to use a different device to create or manage your passkeys, tap Use another device. You'll be prompted to scan a QR code or connect using a security key on devices like your iPad, Android phone or computer. This will allow you to easily add your passkeys across multiple devices. And that's it. Now you know how to create a passkey for your Google account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.